Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear overview of global scopes in Laravel. So, what is a global scope? A global scope is basically a filter that you attach to a model. Once it's added, Laravel automatically applies that filter to every query that uses that model. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you have a post model and in your application, you only want to show posts created by the currently logging user. Without global scopes, you would need to add the same condition in every query inside your post controller. Something like this. That quickly becomes repetitive and hard to maintain. This is where global scopes really help. With a global scope, you define that condition once and Laravel applies it automatically whenever the post model is used. First, we create a scope using an artisan command. You choose a name for your scope, and when you run a command, Laravel creates a new file for you inside the scopes folder under the models directory. In this example, I created a user scope. Inside this scope, we use the query builder to add a filter. For example, we can say that the user ID must match the currently authenticated user. Now we go to the post model. Inside the model's boot method, we tell Laravel to apply this global scope. Once this is done, every query that uses the post model will automatically include this condition. No extra code needed in your controller. What if we don't want to scope sometimes? Good question. In some situation, you might not want this filter to be applied automatically. Laravel makes this very easy. You can simply disable the global scope by referencing its name, and Laravel will run the query without that filter. So, you see, global scopes helps us avoid duplicated query conditions, keep our code clean, make our application easier to maintain. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.